Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Danielle, also known as Miss Happy Housewife, and today we're going to be finishing up our morning routine. So we're going to add one more thing that will be part of our routine. So up to this point, if you haven't been watching, I will link a video up here, and that way you can catch it from day one. You are struggling in adding these things as a routine and remembering to do them. Stop where you are, continue with that baby step until you have it as a routine. Today we're going to be inside of the bathroom for a little bit, but we're gonna be adding something there to our morning routine. I have my table being delivered today. Hopefully that doesn't need too much assembly. I know it will need some. I got a busy day, so let's go ahead and get started.
Just wonder where you at. Just thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe.
So we're here in the bathroom. What we're going to do every morning is swish and swipe. So what that basically means is you're going to take a toilet bowl, brush, and you're going to go around a few times, and then you're going to wipe down the counters. When you do it is really going to depend on you. I usually do the master bathroom first thing in the morning, and then wherever else I use the restroom, I will do the swish and swipe in those bathrooms. So that's one way that you can make sure that all the bathrooms get swished and swiped. So let me show you how it goes.
Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got. Keep dancing in the moonlight. The shadows cover up my sins. Always smarter when in hindsight. But baby, I don't care to win.
So the furniture delivery is here. Yeah, it's here. Come on, let's go look.
Always smarter when in hindsight. But baby, I don't care to win. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss
So now it's time for me to do a hotspot. Well, we have a second living room, which is upstairs, and I've really kind of neglected it. So let me show you what I'm working with. So this is my upstairs living room, and yes, that is my sugar-free sweet tea. But here we have, this table is our hotspot. We still have some cords that are down here that we have to do something with. There's this box. I have to go through this box with my daughter, so I may not get that on camera. All I have are these, and then this is picked up. But I think since this is some paper clutter right here, I'm probably going to go through that paper clutter.
Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
So I got my table all put together and I wanted to show you. I was really excited to get this because it had been like a month. Well, actually it'd been like about a month and a half. So I'm really excited and it kind of fits pretty well. So all that I have left now is to do the dishes, wipe down the counters, and shine my sink. So I'm gonna go ahead and go do that. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed these, then go ahead and give this a thumbs up so I know that you are enjoying this. If there's someone that you want to be your accountability partner, go ahead and share this with them, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.